Okay, so here are the Kanen EC5 earphones. It says here, multiplayer online games, powerful bass, ergonomic design. These were from Deal Extreme and they had them on for $4. And considering that, the packaging's actually pretty good. I mean, it's like solid plastic here and here, so it feels like a quality pair of earphones. It's got a 3.5mm jack, and I assume that's gold plated, and 120cm cable. Stereo sound. Frequency is 18 to 20,000 Hertz, and the drivers are 10mm. Not obviously fully spec'd out, but considering the price, you know, they look alright. So what I'll do is I'll just try and open this somehow. Don't actually know how this opens. Ah, interesting. Never seen that before. Nothing else in the box, I don't think. Okay, so the actual something here, not quite sure what it is. Oh great, I can't read it. So I'm going to assume that's some kind of instruction manual. Yeah, whatever. Okay, so we have 4 spare earbuds, 2 small, 2 large, and I assume the 2 earbuds on here are like medium kind of size from what they look like. It's plastic construction, but they feel pretty solid, and I like the cable. It's like a threaded cable. I don't know if that's for protection or looks, maybe both. And yeah, I assumed right, it's a gold plated 3.5mm jack. They all are nowadays. And so I'm going to take a closer look at the earphones. The back. This camera doesn't focus very well, so sorry about that. Ooh. And on right here they say Kanen. I've never actually heard of this brand, but apparently, well, it got good reviews, so, and I had some like store credit to spend. And this is funny what they've done here. They've actually given us like a plastic stand for the earbuds. Not really sure if that's going to come in handy. I'm certainly not going to carry this around when I go places. Okay. Whatever, I'm gonna try and get some music up. Okay. Plug it into my trusty phone. I haven't had this on ages.
Look at me when I'm talking to you. You looking at me, but I'm looking through you. I see the blood in your eyes. I see the love in disguise. I see the pain hidden in your pride. I see you're not satisfied. And I don't see nobody else. I see myself. I'm looking at the mirror. Here we are again.
Okay, you've had a listen. Let me have a quick listen and I'll tell you what I think. They're actually very good for the price. I mean, just like the review said, they're quite light, bouncy. They've got some pretty deep bass as well. I mean, mids and highs are not as clear as can be. You know, there's still a bit of muffling, I guess. But for $4, I mean, they are fantastic. So I mean, I'll put a link in the description to the site where you can buy them from. And also, I forgot to note that this on here looks like a microphone. I'm pretty sure it's a microphone, so that's why it said online gaming here. I was a bit confused with that. Okay, so you can talk to people apparently from this, and I'll probably test that. So yeah, thanks for watching. Rate, subscribe, comment, like, yeah.